single one of you.
R.I.P. Wayne.
I gotta show him the badge.
I gotta show him the badge. Alright guys, let's get in the cars. Let's rally, guys.
Good morning, everybody. Look, G63 AMG, RS7, Performante, GTR. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button. I know I just spit up a storm right now, but
You're disgusting.
today is rally day, which means Dylan is driving. Because I'm out here to film for you guys. Oh, look at this G-Wagon. This G-Wagon's so sick. Then we got the flame guy. Super small flames. We missed the pre-meet spot, missed the driver's meeting. We missed everything because we're always super late. Dylan fell asleep.
I woke up before you did.
Yeah, but you picked me up late, and I have video footage. I recorded the whole thing on my phone. How it's 9:31 and we're still at Dylan's house, trying to start up the Porsche. Oh, this thing is so nice. If that Performante has bucket seats, I feel bad for the owner. Lovely, lovely. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Look at it. Blue Cepheus Performante is absolutely crazy. Oh my god.
No flames. No flames. Tiny flames.
Oh. Wow.
That's not nice, Hangry.
So nice. Viva la Mexico! Ay, ay, ay.
You're so shy.
This is what happens when you get no sleep and cars are life. You just become shot, like me. Super shot. But once we get to the first stop, I'm gonna show you guys all the cars that are here, because apparently it is one of the sickest lineups. There's a lot of Huracans here. These guys are cray. Wilson, what are you shooting flames for? There's no one here.
Oh, hello, nice car.
How are you?
Oh, very nice. Congratulations.
Show him the badge! Show him the badge!
Oh, we park with the Porsches.
Where the Porsche? Park with the Porsche. No, you gotta park with the SVJ. I want to have
Oh,
SVJ.
we park with the Porsches.
No.
We
Look
park
at
with
Yama.
the
He looks so cool.
Show him the badge.
Show
Wow.
Show him the badge.
Show him the crease. Wow.
So we just made it here to the first pre-meet spot. I'm gonna go through the lineup real quick. We are starting off with a 911 Turbo S. I'm gonna start from the back and go work my way to the front. We got another 911 Turbo, 997, 991.2, 911 Turbo, GTR. What else we got over here? What's up, you guys? We got the non-Flame Kings here.
You're over your butt.
Hey, non-car community guys here.
I got something. Let me just see what's happening on this rally, and I'll throw something in the chat. Don't worry. I'll let you guys know.
Does anybody have any questions? Again, we're gonna make the left here, so we gotta leave from here. Alright guys, let's get in the cars. Let's rally, guys. Welcome.
On the bench.
Dylan.
Take the bench to the bench.
So that's gonna conclude for the drivers meeting. Let's go through the lineup real quick. Finish the lineup at least. 911 Turbo, Performante, GTR, S63. Sorry. McLaren, GTR, Huracan, GT3, M5, Mr. Yama's Huracan. Wow, this is insane. Yo, let's hear this beat. Let's hear this SVJ. Damn, I almost got hit. Alright, let's hop in. Blow it up! Make sure you follow the SVJ, alright? That's our goal for the day.
I have 300 less horsepower.
Stay with the SVJ. That's our goal.
I saw you guys flying up the highway. We have numerous calls. It's not a racetrack. I mean, I'll tow every single one of you. I don't care. Hello, officer. You know, you guys do this every weekend. It's our first time coming up to, we're going to Rhode Island for our race. We're not a racetrack.
No, we're not racing.
I saw you. Well, I mean, it took me a minute to get from exit 27 to 35 where I saw you.
I'll have everybody slow down.
I know.
You gotta show him the badge.
I gotta show him the badge.
Thumbnail. We got a state trooper up there. Bunch of Lambos. Yo, the cop said he saw the Toyota Sienna racing.
Racing who? My f***ing watch? I'm like, come on, bro.
Right?
Get in the car. Get in the car.
No more
Okay,
dig
camera
run.
cars. Go up front.
No more dig run.
You ever see how traffic is made? Look, the road is like fully clear here. And look, because the cops pulled this GTR over, like the whole highway is backed up back there. The amount of Lambos that are here today is insane. We have a blue Cepheus Performante right here, and Grigio Telesto SVJ, blue Lithuans Performante, a matte black Performante, a yellow Huracan, Camaro, Porsche, another blue Cepheus Huracan right there. The lineup is absolutely crazy today. We're heading out to Rhode Island. We have a 2-hour drive left, and we're gonna get some food because I am super hungry. 93, right?
Yeah,
93? 93?
Yeah.
Ah, that's how you do it. The first hybrid Lamborghini. The first one. Oh, no way. They're gonna get... Oh my god, that is bad. That is really bad. Dylan, slow down.
Is it pulling weight over? Okay, it's pulling weight over.
Oh no. R.I.P. R.I.P. Wayne. Don't do that, Dylan. Don't. It might be a bit windy right now because the top is off and we got the sunlight. It is about to rain very soon.
Not going inside the Castle Hill Inn.
They have dessert there?
Right? I need,
If they have dessert there, we're
I
going
need me
in.
some dessert.
Castle Hill Inn. We're just using that dessert there, bro. We're gonna make the left and take
Alright, where's the check? Is this free?
Follow the yellow Lambos, yes. And let the camera cars go up.
Not the Performante.
Yes. Without the wing. Yes, the one without the wing.
Alright, so we're finally at the ending location. We just had the most amazing lobster roll ever. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing it? Why are they doing that? I don't know why they're doing that. It's not the end of the vlog yet. We can't do that. We can't do that. But look at the beautiful cars here. We got a Huracan GT2 RS, Performante, SVJ, McLaren 570, and another. Bro, the vlog is not done. The vlog is not done. We have one last stop before the rally is over. I'm gonna give a big shout out to SUPRA, which is the owner of this beautiful Huracan, for hosting this amazing rally. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram, @thedriveclub_. Yo, launch control.
But it's not.
I know, it's stainless steel.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Full time.
You're driving back home, you know that, right?
No, I'm
I know how
not.
to drive.
I don't.
Oh, he's about to learn.
Please teach him, please.
Have airbags for a reason.
I'm the Flame King.
Is my car an exotic? Yes or no?
Today, right now, with the gun to my head.
No.
So that is gonna end it for.
That is gonna end it for the car community vlog.
Can you go that side? I'm trying to end my
We're
vlog.
ending it here in Rhode Island.
That's gonna end it for TD2, the
TD2.
drive to one of the craziest rallies I've done this year. Actually, this is one of the 3 rallies I've done this year that you guys have seen and documented for the YouTube channel. End it over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, drop a comment down below. What did you think about this video? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.